Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of paper forms, struggling to keep track of client information, consent, or even simple waivers? Or maybe you're spending precious time manually inputting data from handwritten questionnaires. If you're a salon owner, spa manager, or any service professional using Vagaro, you know the struggle is real. What if I told you there's a way to streamline all of that? A way to go completely paperless, save time, and drastically improve your client experience. Imagine having all your client information neatly organized, easily accessible, and automatically integrated with your booking and POS system. That's exactly what we're talking about today. Mastering the art of creating Vagaro forms. Vagaro forms aren't just a convenience. They're a game changer for your business. Think about it. No more illegible handwriting, no more lost consent forms, no more endless filing. With digital forms, you can collect essential client data before appointments, ensuring you're prepared for every service. You can gather detailed medical history for aesthetic treatments, pre-consultation information for hairstylists, or even feedback after a massage session. This proactive approach not only enhances professionalism but also allows you to tailor your services more effectively, leading to happier, more loyal clients. Beyond the immediate benefits of efficiency, Vagaro forms offer a layer of professionalism that sets you apart. Clients appreciate the seamless, modern experience of filling out a form on their phone or tablet. It reflects well on your business, demonstrating that you value their time and are committed to providing a top-notch experience from start to finish. Plus, with the ability to customize forms to fit your specific needs, you can ensure you're collecting exactly the information that matters most to your business, whether it's for compliance, marketing, or simply improving your service delivery. So, how do we unlock this power? Let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating a Vagaro form, transforming your chaotic paperwork into a streamlined digital workflow. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Vagaro account on a computer or through a web browser on your tablet. While some basic functions are available on the mobile app, for form creation, you'll want the full desktop experience for optimal control and visibility. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. From the settings menu, look for Customer Forms or Forms. This is where the magic begins. Upon entering the Forms section, you'll see an overview of any existing forms you might have. To create a new one, you'll typically find a New Form or Add Form button. Clicking this will open up the Form Builder, your canvas for digital efficiency. The first crucial step is to give your form a clear and descriptive name. This name is for your internal organization and will help you easily identify the form later. For example, New Client Intake Form, Consent for Facial Treatment, or Post-Service Feedback. Below the name, you'll have the option to add a description. This description is external and will be visible to your clients. Use this space to briefly explain the purpose of the form. For instance, please complete this form before your first appointment so we can better understand your needs. Now, let's get to the fun part, adding questions. Vagaro offers a variety of question types to suit your needs. You'll typically see options like short answer/text input, perfect for collecting names, addresses, or any brief text responses. Long answer/text area, ideal for more detailed explanations, like, please describe your skin concerns. Multiple choice, for questions with predefined answers, allowing clients to select one option. For example, how did you hear about us? Checkboxes, when clients can select multiple options from a list. Think, which services are you interested in? Drop-down menu, similar to multiple choice but more compact for longer lists of options. Date picker, for collecting specific dates, such as date of last treatment. Signature field, absolutely essential for consent forms and waivers. This allows clients to digitally sign the form directly on their device. Waiver/agreement field. This is a specialized field for displaying lengthy terms and conditions or a waiver that clients must acknowledge before proceeding. You can paste your legal text here, and clients will need to check a box or provide a signature to agree. To add a question, simply click on the desired question type. A new field will appear on your form. You'll then need to type in your question text. For multiple choice, checkboxes, and drop-downs, You'll also need to enter the individual options your clients can choose from. One of the most important features to utilize is the required toggle. For any question that is critical for your service or business, make sure to mark it as required. This ensures clients cannot submit the form without providing the necessary information. For example, a client's name, contact information, or a consent signature should always be required. As you add questions, you can easily reorder them by dragging and dropping. This allows you to logically group related questions and create a smooth flow for your clients. You can also duplicate questions if you have similar structures, saving you time. Once you've built out all your questions, it's time to consider the after submission options. Vagaro allows you to define what happens once a client completes the form. You can typically choose to redirect to a specific URL. This is great for sending clients to your website, a thank you page, or even a link to book their next appointment. Display a custom message. A simple thank you for completing the form message can suffice. Show a confirmation page. This provides a default confirmation message. Finally, and crucially, you need to decide how your clients will access this form. Vagaro offers several ways to share your forms. Attached to services. This is incredibly powerful. You can link a specific form to one or more services. For example, if you offer facials, you can attach your facial consultation form to all your facial services. When a client books that service online, they will be prompted to complete the form before or after booking, depending on your settings. This ensures you have all the necessary information before they even step foot in your salon. Email link. You can generate a direct link to your form and email it to clients manually. This is useful for pre-appointment communication or for collecting information from clients who might not be booking online. QR code. Vagaro often provides a QR code for your forms. You can print this out and display it in your waiting area, allowing clients to easily scan and complete the form on their own devices. Embed on your website. For even greater integration, you might be able to embed the form directly onto your own business website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.